Clan Bubblegum Violence is going for the kill. Let's see if they can get him. Yeah!
They got him. Kaidro Clan Battles Open Beta is coming to Steam next Fest, February 24th to March 3rd.
Kaidro is an action RPG where you will be able to utilize your astral abilities for defense, healing, or DPS.
Pair that with your own Spark Suit types, light, medium, or heavy. The unique combination of Spirit Guardians and Spark Suits allow for players to customize their own playstyle.
6 awesome different weapons to choose from to continue to customize playstyle.
There will be 2 game modes available for Open Beta. Team up with friends and fight in horde-based wave battles.
Game Mode 2 is going to be Bounty Hunt, a 3v3v3 PvP arena-style space, where players are going to be collecting points through shards and bringing those back to their home base while they continue to push back the void.
Join the Steam wishlist for the Kaidro Clan Battles demo from February 24th to March 3rd. The game will be open for anybody to download on Steam. Attach your account on Kaidro.com, climb the leaderboards, and earn more rewards as you play through the Kaidro Open Beta.
Stay up to date with the latest for Kaidro by following the Kaidro X and find the community over on the Kaidro Discord. See you all soon.